Alright guys, you're looking for a quick, easy way to install YouTube, Netflix, or pretty much anything else that you can download from the Play Store onto your newer vehicle. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how. Alright guys, so I'm just sitting in my truck right now, and I've been using this Carpuride AI box now, I gotta say, for the last 3 months, and I figured it's time to do a video. This thing is pretty sweet. I've done a lot of Carpuride product reviews in the past, and this by far has got to be one of the coolest. So this right here, this small box, you can plug in a micro SD card into if you want to be able to read stuff off of that. But probably one of the coolest things about this is how easy it is to install. Literally, it's just plug and play. You're gonna plug in USB-C to the box, and then I got the other end plugged into my USB-A. My truck currently has wired CarPlay, but does not have wireless, unfortunately. And I know a lot of newer vehicles are the same way. So this box right here is going to allow you to have everything wirelessly ran to your phone. Your CarPlay, YouTube, Netflix, and pretty much anything else you want to download from the Play Store. Pretty cool. And it's going to stream from your phone's hotspot to the CarPlay box and backfeed into your display. So as you guys can see here, it's going to show your phone's connected through Wi-Fi. There's my Samsung Fold 4. You got your date and time up there. Bluetooth also connected, so you can take hands-free phone calls. You got your Play Store. Here's your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Just click into that if you want to run that wirelessly. You got your settings, your home button. You got your file explorer, Bluetooth music, Netflix. You got your YouTube up there. We'll go ahead and click into YouTube, and I'll show you guys how easily this is going to work. So you guys can see it's already loaded up. So this is going to go as fast as your signal on your phone. We'll go ahead and click into my channel. And there's my channel right there. And as long as your phone's got a good signal, this is going to have a good signal. So pretty cool. All right, so here is another Carpuride. Right there, there's my Carpuride video for another Carpuride product. So you guys that don't have wired CarPlay or anything, you can have a separate screen. Carpuride has a ton of products that you can use with your car that's easily integrated into your car, and is going to give you options like these. But as you guys can see, no issue there playing YouTube, streaming it perfectly fine. We'll go ahead and go back to the home screen. So there's the home screen. We'll go into Netflix here. So they just signed into Netflix, so you guys can see. So real easy to use interface. Go ahead and go back. If you want to go back to the home, just touch the screen. There's this floating bubble. Go back to home. And then, like I said, you can do your CarPlay, where your navigation and everything's going to be. But you can also add more stuff to this through the Google Play Store. And this is all going to work while your phone is wirelessly connected to the Carpuride box, like I said earlier. So pretty cool device here. It's going to add a lot of extra features to your interface in your vehicle while also giving you a wireless CarPlay. All right guys, so that's it. Just I want to do a quick review of this Carpuride box. I've had this now for a long time, and I figured it's time to do a video on it, a review. I wanted to test this thoroughly to make sure that it worked well before I approved of this, and it's been working well for the last 3 months. So I definitely think this is a good pickup if you're looking to get wireless CarPlay in your vehicle, or being able to add YouTube, Netflix, or any other app to your interface in your vehicle. I think this is going to be really awesome. And if you guys don't have wired or wireless CarPlay in your vehicle currently, because you got an older ride, Carpuride also has you covered. They have this standalone 9-inch display. This is a touchscreen display that's going to also work with your phone, and it's going to be able to give you wireless CarPlay and a bunch of other features in your vehicle. I got a video review on this that I'll also post up here, guys, and I'll put links in the description box for this too. So either way, Carpuride's got you covered. Whether you got wired CarPlay, you can get the AI box, or if you got a vehicle that doesn't have any of the newer features, Carpuride has got you covered there too. Easy plug and play way to integrate all those features into your vehicle through this 9-inch display screen that sits right on your dash. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll make sure I put links in the description box below if you're looking to pick one of these up. Check that link. If you guys got any comments or questions, put them down below. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, smash the like button. And if you like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I'll talk to you later.